so what are we installing today?
COBB short shift plate, bro.
And the new rear engine mount.
So your motor mount.
Motor mount, whatever. So let's get it. Alright, so we got the factory one, everything around it off right now. Getting ready to take it off. And here's the COBB replacement piece. How much does that shorten your shift by?
About 40%. It's adjustable though to whatever you want.
It's an expensive piece of metal. It's what, like $99?
Yep, CJ Pony parts. So it's a little dark, but you can see the short shift plate is installed on the factory shift arm now. And it's time to put everything back together and see how it works.
Alright guys, we're back at it again today. We ran out of time last time, so we couldn't install the motor mount. But we're heading to the parking deck again. We get the motor mount done today. It's already 8 o'clock, so probably gonna get dark. See you there. Alright guys, so we're back to the parking deck now. Let's get it. Maybe we shouldn't have taken out the spare tire. Showing the motor mount. Alright, this is what we got today.
Stickers for days.
Hopefully this thing won't wheel hop like a motherfucker anymore. Hopefully. Focus ST problems. Alright guys, we messed up a little bit. We actually need an Allen key big enough to go in there. We don't have one big enough, so looks like we're going to Lowe's. Isn't that right, Daniel?
Yeah.
See you at Lowe's. Alright, looks like it was a good thing that we screwed up and had to go to Lowe's. Because leaving the deck, we found this sick wide body S550 Mustang.
Dang.
That thing is so clean.
Carbon fiber.
If any of y'all are in Charlotte and you actually know the owner of this, tag him, because that thing's clean as damn. Alright, let's go to Lowe's. Alright, so we made it back again. It's way darker now. But I'm gonna put this thing on, so cue the time lapse. What's up guys? So we got the original one out.
Yep.
Daniel got stuck on the last 15mm. Shout out to Ford for literally putting it on top of the motor mount. I'll show you where it's at in just a second. Got my knuckle pretty good, or thumb, whatever. Yeah, it's kind of gnarly. So here's the old one that Daniel just took out.
Oh.
So the like bushings in here aren't quite as good as the bushings in the other one.
They're softer.
Yeah, and here's the COBB replacement piece that we're getting ready to put on here in just a second. So more skids.
Alright, so we just got the COBB rear motor mount in, and all the bolts are tightened to spec, and now all that needs to go on is the splash shield.
Alright guys, so we just finished up putting the motor mount on and just bringing this car around right now. We're going to do some trial launches and see if it still wheel hops, because that's kind of the purpose of the motor mount, is to prevent that wheel hop. So let's go. All right, what RPM you gonna launch it at?
2500.
Say it one more time.
2500.
All right, we're gonna go for 2500 for the first launch. See if we get any wheel hop. I didn't see any wheel hop. It spun a lot, but there's no wheel hop, so that's good. It's coming around one more time. How'd that feel?
Oh, good.
Way better than the stock one?
Definitely.
All right, back it up in here one more time. We'll go for a little bit harder. All right, what RPM are we gonna do this time?
3000.
3000 RPM drop, let's go. Alright guys, it looks like we fixed the wheel hop issue, so we're gonna get out of here before security shows up. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, hit the bell button, subscribe, all that stuff. Peace.